नोएडा फिल्म सिटी में मिस, मिसेज और टीन फ्लाइंग फेम इंडिया सीजन 3 का भव्य ग्रैंड फिनाले सफलतापूर्वक आयोजित हुआ। फ्लाइंग फेम के फाउंडर आशी बग्गा द्वारा आयोजित इस नेशनल ब्यूटी पेजेंट में देश भर से प्रतिभाओं ने हिस्सा लिया। आपको बता दें, मिस फ्लाइंग फेम इंडिया 2026 का खिताब बैंगलोर की रचिका सुरेश ने अपने नाम किया, जबकि अंकना सेनगुप्ता और अनन्या सिंह पहले और दूसरे रनर अप रही। टीन कैटेगरी में कैरन अर्नेस्ट रोड्रिग्स विजेता बनी। मिसेस फ्लाइंग फेम इंडिया 2026 का ताज अनीता राय निगम के नाम रहा। आशी बग्गा ने बताया कि यह मंच महिला सशक्तिकरण और आत्मविश्वास को बढ़ावा देता है। देखिए ये रिपोर्ट नोएडा।
Hi everyone, I'm Ashi Bagga and I'm the founder of Flying Femme and the pageant Miss, Mrs and Teen Flying Femme India season. I think every year we are improving, every year we are learning something and every year we are trying to make it more grand. So we have contestants, candidates, finalists from all over India. So definitely candidates पूरे इंडिया से आते हैं, अलग अलग सिटी, अलग अलग स्टेट से. So I think मेरे previous winners are already present here, like Riya Singh and Nithya Shri, who are already our previous winners, and इस साल के winners again, they are going to come again next year to crown the next queens and be the part of our jury.
किस बिहाफ पे आपने इन सबको मतलब सेलेक्ट किया है?
So basically हम जो सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट अपने कैंडिडेट्स में देखते हैं वो है उनका कॉन्फिडेंस, ना कि हाइट, ना कि बॉडी, बट उनका कॉन्फिडेंस.
गेस्ट या सेलिब्रिटी गेस्ट कौन है?
सो आज के हमारे सेलिब्रिटी गेस्ट रोहित खंडेलवाल, मिस्टर वर्ल्ड 2016.
कितनी मॉडल्स ने पार्टिसिपेट आज के सीजन में?
टॉप 30 मॉडल्स फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर इंडिया.
क्राइटेरिया क्या क्या रखी है?
कोई क्राइटेरिया नहीं है हमारे पैजेंट का.
कितने कैटेगरी में है?
मिस, मिसेस एंड टीन. सो आई थिंक हमारे स्टूडेंट्स, हमारे कैंडिडेट्स जो यहाँ पे पार्टिसिपेंट हैं, उनकी एज शुरू हो रही है 11 ईयर्स से. सो हमारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स जो इस पैजेंट में हैं, शुरू होती है उनकी एज 11 से और 40 to 50 ईयर्स तक के पैजेंट में पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं. सो आई थिंक इससे बड़ा कोई मैसेज ही नहीं हो सकता कि आज की यंग जनरेशन अपने आप पैजेंट में आके आगे बढ़ के पार्टिसिपेट करती है. I think it is going fantastic, but I think Rohit can tell better because he's watching, as a jury, and I'm always at the backstage. So I think he can tell better that how it's going.
I think it's going phenomenal. I love the way it started with the dance performances. The girls are carrying themselves very well with confidence, with grace, and I could see the confidence in their eyes. And we as judges, we are so confused about who's doing better. So that's going to be a very tough competition, and I think Ashi's done a great job handling everything and every girl over here. I think I missed the previous 2 seasons. I should have been there. So I have regret about that. But I'm really excited to see what the next 2 rounds are going to be about.
Okay, so the question is for you, ma'am.
Yes.
What do you want to see about your contestants? Like, who's gonna win this, or how they will impress you? What was the actual point?
Okay, so basically what we are looking in our winners is just confidence. We don't have any particular criteria for all the finalists. It's just confidence that we are looking forward for.
You know, one more thing I just wanted to add. I totally agree with what Ashi is saying, because every other girl is so beautiful and beauty is very subjective. So you can't say I'm looking at beauty because they are beautiful. So it's confidence what makes a huge difference.
Right.
I believe life is a full circle. Almost a year ago, I was standing here at the same spot, but as a participant. But now, when I look at myself, not just as a reigning queen, a title holder, but also as a jury, trust me, it's a responsibility. Responsibility to choose the best one to carry on the legacy, to carry on the title, hold the title with equivalent responsibilities as I did. And trust me, I'm super excited and super proud of myself. More than that, I'm grateful to Flying Femme India, Ashi ma'am, and the whole team for making me prepare and stand where I am today. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I'm Nityashri, Miss Flying Femme Grand India 2024. Today is a very important day in my life because I'm going to crown the next new winner. Last year today, I stood here as a contestant, but today I'm here as a jury. This is a very big opportunity for me given by Flying Femme and Ashi Bagga ma'am. I'm so proud and so grateful for where I'm here today. And I wanted to tell all the contestants that whether it's a victory or not, just make sure you're enjoying your journey. It's a once in a lifetime opportunity. Thank you so much.
I am Dr. Puneet Kathuria. I am one of the Smile Care experts for Flying Femme India 2025, and it's been our third year of association with this excellent pageant. We represent the brand Dr. Kathuria's Dentistry and Purexa Oral Wellness. This brand resonates well with this pageant because it provides a strategic benefit for brand visibility. The audience alignment as per the new age gen products from Purexa aligns really well with this kind of pageant, and of course the empowerment positioning what we get makes a very logical partnership decision between Purexa, Dr. Kathuria's Dentistry and Flying Femme. So we wish them all the very best for this event.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Smeen Kathuria and I'm here at the red carpet event of Miss, Mrs. and Teen Flying Femme India 2025 as a Smile Care partner as well as I'm a grand finale jury. At Dr. Kathuria's Dentistry, what we do is that we not only treat patients, we transform smiles with compassion and expert care. And at Purexa, we provide global products, global world-class products to everyone to improve their oral hygiene and oral wellness. So I am connected to Flying Femme official since 3 years and I'm so happy for Ashi Bagga's this venture that this is to empower women. So I'm here for to celebrate the sparkle of smile and I'm super excited to judge the most beautiful smile out of all the gorgeous girls. Thank you so much.